Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's OP video update for Thursday 28th of July. And this is a coin that I've never talked about before. It's on the Binance, just launched on the Binance, and we've seen a lot of green momentum and we've seen the pumps to the upside. What I want to talk about is that I do notice that you do have a pattern known as a cup and handle. So let me actually talk about the chart pattern itself. So let me bring in the cup and handle pattern just like that, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so actually this image is going to be better. So you do have the resistance line, you make the cup, you come a little bit down, make the handle, break out, come down for the retest and move higher. So this is exactly what we're putting in right now. So this is going to be that cup that we're talking about, the cup here, all right? And then that was the almost the handle that you've already made right there, and now you're actually making the move to the upside. Actually it's going to be the handle right over there. That's the handle, not the one that I drew before. So at the moment we are looking for OP to basically, it has already broken out of it, and who knows, you can actually still come down a little bit to 0.891 and then start to move higher. But all in all, with the stop loss placed down here, if you start to take 0.742, then this is not going to be in play anymore, because if you take out the handle itself, that's the end of it. So if I just ignore the wick and take the measurement from the top to the bottom here, then we're looking for a price appreciation. If this is the entry, then we're looking for that 68-69% move to the upside at the moment. So things are looking good for maybe next 1 or 2 days at the moment. Today and tomorrow basically can be good. I don't know about Saturday. You could still have the market retrace down on a Saturday as well. And that's it for this quick update on OP. Hope you enjoyed this one, and if this video gets like 50 likes, I'm gonna release another update tomorrow based on your demand, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.